In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch videos in CapCut PC. If you need to stretch out a video or adjust its width and height separately so it better fills a widescreen frame, CapCut on PC gives you a very simple way to do it. This is especially useful when you want to get rid of empty black bars or make a clip cover the screen more completely. I'll walk you through the quickest method, and everything happens right inside the built-in video settings. To begin, go down to your timeline and click once directly on the video clip you want to edit. Make sure the clip is clearly highlighted because CapCut only shows the correct adjustment controls when the clip is selected. Once that clip is active, move over to the top right Properties panel. In that panel, make sure the Video tab is selected and then click on the Basic section just below it. This is where CapCut keeps the main controls for positioning, scaling, and other fundamental clip adjustments. Next, we need to unlock the clip's proportions so that width and height can be changed independently. In the basic settings, scroll down until you find the Scale controls. Normally, CapCut keeps the video's aspect ratio locked, which means any scaling you do affects both dimensions at the same time. Look for the option labeled Uniform Scale. It will usually appear as a checkbox near the scale setting. Click it once to turn it off. As soon as you disable Uniform Scale, you'll notice that the single scale control changes into two separate controls, one for width and one for height. This is the key step because it gives you independent control over how the video stretches. Now you can start adjusting the clip to fit your frame. If you want to stretch the video horizontally, drag the width scale slider to the right. This makes the clip wider and can help fill the sides of the screen. If you want to stretch it vertically instead, adjust the height scale slider just below it. You can also fine-tune both settings as needed until the clip fills the frame the way you want. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the preview window in the center of CapCut. You'll see the result instantly, which makes it easy to stop when the video looks right. If your goal is to cover black bars or create a more edge-to-edge look, this live preview helps you do it accurately without guessing. And that's it. Once your timeline clip is selected, the Video Basic panel is open, Uniform Scale is turned off, and the width or height sliders are adjusted, your video is successfully stretched in just a few quick moves.